Is money more important than happiness? This is one of the most asked questions in life, and also one of the most misunderstood ones. People love giving emotional answers like, money doesn't matter, or happiness is everything. But let's be honest for a moment. If money truly didn't matter, nobody would wake up early, work overtime, or stress about bills. So today, instead of pretending to be idealistic, let's talk realistically and logically about whether money is more important than happiness.
First, let's get one uncomfortable truth out of the way.
Money is not everything, but lack of money can destroy happiness very fast. When you don't have money, even small problems feel huge. You worry about rent, food, education, medical bills, and basic security. In that situation, talking about inner peace sounds like a luxury. So yes, money plays a very important role in creating a stable and stress-free life. However, here is where people make a mistake. They assume that more money automatically means more happiness. That is simply not true. Once your basic needs are met, extra money gives comfort, not guaranteed happiness. You can have a high salary and still feel empty, lonely, stressed, or dissatisfied. Many successful people struggle with anxiety, broken relationships, and lack of purpose. Money solves money problems, not emotional or mental ones. Now let's flip the question. Is happiness more important than money? Again, the answer is not as simple as people want it to be. Happiness without money can survive for a short time, but it becomes fragile in the long run. Passion, love, and positivity are powerful, but they cannot pay hospital bills or secure your future. So choosing happiness while ignoring financial responsibility is not wisdom, it's denial. The real problem is that people treat money and happiness as enemies, when they are not. Money is a tool. Happiness is a state of mind.
When money is used correctly, it supports happiness. When it becomes the only goal, it destroys it. Chasing money without purpose leads to burnout. Rejecting money in the name of happiness leads to struggle. Balance is not a motivational word here. It's a practical strategy.
So what actually matters more? The honest answer is this. Money is important for survival and freedom, but happiness is important for meaning. You need money to live well, and you need happiness to feel that life is worth living. One without the other creates an incomplete life.
So stop asking whether money is more important than happiness. That question itself is flawed.
The better question is, how can I earn money without sacrificing my happiness? And how can I pursue happiness without escaping responsibility? When you stop choosing sides and start building balance, life becomes clearer, calmer, and stronger. Remember, money should serve your life, not control it. And happiness should guide your life, not blind it.